Demystifying Point of View in Fiction Writing. Hello, wordsmiths. Welcome to our English language learning journey. Today, we're going to delve deep into the realm of fiction writing, specifically focusing on the all-important concept of point of view. It's the invisible lens through which we narrate our stories, and it can dramatically alter the way readers perceive the world you create. Let's unravel this mystery together. The point of view in literature is the perspective from which a story is narrated. It is the lens through which you, as a writer, allow readers to see, hear, and experience the plot. We generally categorize it into three types: first person, second person, and third person. In the first-person point of view, the story is narrated by a character within the story, typically using I or we. This perspective allows the reader to see directly through the eyes of this character, experiencing their thoughts, feelings, and experiences firsthand. The second-person point of view is less common in fiction. In this case, the narrator directly addresses the reader as you. This creates a unique, immersive experience, as if the reader themselves are a part of the narrative. The third-person point of view refers to when the narrator is not a character in the story. This narrator refers to characters as he, she, it, or they. Within the third-person view, there are two variations: limited and omniscient. In the limited perspective, the narrator only knows the thoughts and feelings of a single character. In the omniscient perspective, the narrator has access to the thoughts and feelings of all characters. Choosing the right point of view depends largely on the story you want to tell. First person allows for intimate character exploration. Second person can create an immersive, though somewhat unusual, experience. The third person gives you flexibility, whether you want to limit your focus to one character or take a godlike, omniscient role. Experiment and find what suits your story best. We've journeyed through the intricate world of point of view in fiction writing today. Remember, there is no right point of view, but rather the one that best serves your story and your characters. Don't be afraid to experiment with different perspectives until you find the one that fits just right. Keep writing, keep exploring, and remember, every word you pen brings you one step closer to becoming the writer you aspire to be. Until next time, happy writing.